Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome to the official Forestri Health yoga page. I'm Jasmine, and today we will be going over bridge pose. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get updates on my newest videos. Bridge pose is a perfect beginner pose because it helps to strengthen the whole body to get you prepared for more advanced moves. Bridge pose can strengthen the back, glutes, hamstrings, legs, and ankles, and open up the hips and chest. Bridge pose is great for stretching the neck, shoulders, and spine if you've been sitting for a long period of time. Bridge pose has also been shown to alleviate stress, headaches, mild symptoms of depression, and improve digestion by stimulating the ab muscles and organs. So if you're new to yoga and want to learn the basics, this is a good video for you. So let's begin. You're going to start lying on your back with your legs straight out in front of you and your arms at your side. Then place your feet hip width apart on the floor with your knees pointed at the ceiling directly over your heels. Then push your palms and arms down at your sides and exhale while you press your feet down into the floor. Then slowly lift your hips up off the floor and lift them as high as you can. Then you can either grab your ankles with your hands to help you get a deeper stretch, or clasp your hands together underneath your lower back. Now we're going to hold this pose for 1 minute and remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. Now to get out of the pose, release your hands from your ankles or unclasp your hands from underneath your lower back. Then place them at your sides using your palms slowly and controlled. Lower your hips back on the floor and straighten your legs. And that is how you do bridge pose.